Just watch, okay?
Yeah.
Good day, guys. Today's video is about how to make a burning logo or text. So first you have to make a new composition, then new style for the background, then we shall put on our logo there. After putting the logo, we need to click on it. We could change the sizes according to what you need or what you want. So kanya-kanyang trip na lang yan kung anong gusto mo. So right click, tapos pre-compose natin siya. Oops, okay, you need to pre-compose it. So okay, pre-compose, just follow the steps, and then next we're going to auto trace it. Oh, let's put a text first. Okay, any text would do, any logo, anything that you want. So we're gonna put it there. Okay. So change it according to your needs or what you want. Feel free to play with whatever font you want or size. After that, we're going to auto trace it. So just have to click the item. So there, choosing the logo. So we're gonna we need to pre-compose the text also. Almost forgot. Okay. So now we're gonna do the auto trace. So just follow the settings. For the meantime, make sure it's not checked. Okay. Apply the new layer. It's not supposed to be checked. So the same thing goes with the text. We need to auto trace it also. So it's the same step. Okay, layer, then auto trace. Same settings. So feel free to change it or play with it if you want. Next, let's go to FX. We're gonna go look for the saber. Okay, so we're gonna choose the burning. Then change it to layer mask under customize core. Okay, so feel free to change the settings to whatever you need, so whatever suits you best at that time. Okay, it's gonna be rendered at the moment. Okay, so feel free to play with it. The intensity, you could follow what I do or just do whatever you want with the settings. Just play with it. Okay, glow speed, glow intensity. Excuse me. Okay, just feel free to play around with the settings. So next, okay, so let's put a keyframe on that. So let's go to 1 second. So the end offset. So let's change it for a bit. So you would notice there's a change in there. So next, let's put it to a higher 100% or 90 or 89% or something. Okay, then 4 seconds. That's 100. You could also change the mass evolution. Okay, let's change that. Okay, you see the burning effect in there. What you did with the logo, you could also do with the text. So it's the same thing. You could choose any preset that you want, any font type, any color also could be changed according to your needs. Just don't forget to layer mask it or use the layer mask in the customer core. Okay, you can see that. So it's really slow at the moment, so you just need to wait for it. Okay, now look at that. Okay. So let's change the you could change the intensity if you want. Okay. Usually this usually takes around 5 or 10 minutes or something, or even less. Okay, so it's the same thing with the text. It's the same procedure. Okay, layer mask. Okay, so it's too bright. Something's wrong. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. The settings to transparent. Under the render settings. Okay. It's the same with the logo. It should be transparent. Okay, so you can now see both of them. If it's getting slow, you could change that to 1/4, third, or a quarter to make it render fast. Okay, so see there, you could change it so that it could be readable or whatever you want it to. Okay, just play around with the settings. Kung anong trip nyo, galawin nyo lang. Okay, nakikita nyo na. So, okay na siya. So, parang sasunog na siya at it's like burning. So, need to change the offset also para may konting style naman. Okay, lagyan natin ng keyframe. Then, after 1 second, ito natin. Okay. Okay, it's done. You could also add a sound effect in there. Just slide it down or drag it. Walang kahirap-hirap, ilagay mo lang yun dyan. Okay, ang kulang na ng background. All that is left is background. You could put any background that you want. You could put a video, a picture, or even a tile, or just leave it just as it is. Pero syempre para astig, gagawa tayo ng konting background na may konting animation. Okay, so we're gonna make a new solid. Okay. Then baba natin siya. Need to put it down a bit. So we're gonna look for the particle. Okay. Okay, particle. Okay. Drag it over to the newly made solid. Okay, so that's what it would like. So this look really good. So we're gonna have to change that for a bit. So the birth rate should be 2. Okay, positioning. So yan. Para medyo kalat-kalat sila. Okay. Slow sip. So kung anong trip mo, baguhin mo na lang kung anong gusto mo dyan. Ayan ang itsura niya. So parang hindi ko trip eh. So let's change the lines to faded stars. Doesn't look so good. Okay, faded spear. Okay, it looks a lot better pero parang may mali, kulang may mali. Change explosive to twirl. Okay, so adjust the radius. Make it a bit a bit farther. Okay. The next, okay. That size, okay, let's change that. Taba natin ng konti. Yan, medyo gumaganda na siya ng konti. Pero parang may kulang pa rin eh. Something seems to be missing. Okay. Size variation, okay. Let's change that to fire. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay. Siya na kayo, medyo mabagal ang computer ko. Okay. Okay, let's change the color. Yun. Okay. That's about it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for viewing. Have a nice day.